So welcome back to the channel. We've been asked many times if we'll show you how to set up the Alexa app so that you can play Ride Time Radio on all of your devices at home. Maybe that be the Echo or the Pod. You can do it with everything. First of all, we need to go into the Alexa app. So go into your device, open up your Alexa app, and you'll open on the splash page. Now, first of all, we do need to set Ride Time Radio as a skill. So find skills and games. And then in here, we can have Ride Time Radio. Search. There you can see that's going to set that there. And we can launch that skill on the home device and launch. Now, that will actually start to play Ride Time Radio on your device and enable you to ask for Ride Time Radio. Although we found that to be very problematic because it doesn't understand the language. So the easiest way to now set this up is to go back to the homepage screen, and we are looking to add a routine. If we go to Add, look for Routines, and we can first of all add an event. That can be a voice event, and this can be simply play radio. Once we've put that in, we can add an action. And in the action, we can say, skill, your skills, find Ride Time Radio. Next. Okay, so when we say Alexa play radio, it will open the stream and it will start to play Ride Time Radio. Save that. And then that will be available on your home device. And that's how you use Ride Time Radio and the Alexa box.